Hello! In this video, I'm going to share with you features of fake messengers to provide feedback. Fake messengers is an app where users can create fake conversations. In this video, I will show you how to create a fake messenger conversation during a self-feedback activity. In this activity, you can create a fake messenger conversation on a specific topic, and you can individually review your performance to create a self-feedback report. Click on one of the conversations on your home page to start a fake conversation. Type your sentences on the chat box and click on Send. If you allow Always Ask function, you can determine whether you can type the sentences as yours or your friends. Apart from the text, you can add voice message image as well. Click on the microphone sign and enter the duration of voice text. The app doesn't allow you to record your voice, but it is possible to add the image that looks like a voice record.